It's Tuesday and time to head to the gym and get a workout session. And today I'm going to be doing a combination of both strength training and plyometrics explosive speed training. And what I'm going to do in this instance is I'm probably going to work on back and biceps. So for example, if I'm sitting in a machine or if I'm doing a bent over row or something like that and I'm pulling the weight towards me, once I've warmed up, when I do my 4 sets of 10, I'll use an explosive contraction so that I can get that real retracting motion in with a lot of speed and power, and then slowly let the weight out again. So I'll do probably 4 sets of 10, all at a moderate weight. So I'm going to be building both strength, I'm going to be building a level of endurance, and then I'm going to be building that explosive contracting speed that you need when you're doing KATA. As of course I've got the World Tournament coming up in just 10 weeks, so this is part of my countdown training. The other thing that's of critical importance, of course, is the right nutrition. So straight after my workout, I'm just packing in the oats. I've got half a cup of oats, whole grain oats, back up at the office, add a bit of water, zap it in the microwave, stir, and I am ready to go for the remainder of the afternoon. When I get home, I'll make myself a nice smoothie, which will have some fresh beetroot that's already been pre-cooked, a banana. What else do I stick in it? Mixed berries. I'll throw in a cube of spinach at the same time. Just turn that alarm off. It's just reminding me to drink my water. Tablespoon of date syrup just to give it a bit more sweetness. And then I stick that in the old NutriBullet or the Fruit Ninja or whatever you want to call it. Zap it up and I am ready to go. And that'll see me through till about probably 7 o'clock when I'll have dinner. Train well, eat well, rest well. Us.